New details tonight in a criminal case we've been following for months. The Henderson County woman accused of poisoning and killing her daughter at Thanksgiving dinner, and a man nearly 2 decades earlier is asking a judge to have the two murder cases tried separately. News 13's Gracie Palmer sat down with the defense, which says the lack of evidence raises questions about the state's case.
52-year-old Gudrun Casper-Leinenkugel is facing 7 felony charges. Prosecutors say she killed her daughter Leela by poisoning a bottle of wine at their Thanksgiving dinner in 2025. They also accuse her of poisoning Michael Schmidt in 2007. On Wednesday, the defense asked a judge to try the 2 murder charges separately.
So from our standpoint, because we don't want to use or to have the state use the weak cases to try to make it into a stronger circumstantial case, we want to separate those.
Casper-Leinenkugel's attorney, Paul Bidwell, says the state wants to try the cases together in an effort to make them both stronger. In our interview, Bidwell referenced a video he says shows an investigator discussing the case with someone out of state.
That investigator had indicated that there's very little chance of gaining a conviction against our client unless both the case from 2007 and the case involving our client's daughter are tried at the same time.
In its filing, the defense says no complete forensic record has been produced establishing Schmidt's cause of death, even though prosecutors say he died by poisoning. Prosecutors have also said Casper-Leinenkugel was the last person seen with Schmidt before he was found dead. And as for Leela's death, her sister says her mom never touched the wine. We asked the defense what they believe happened to Leela instead.
When you finish looking at the analysis, or once you do the analysis of the evidence that's out there, it looks more and more as though this is really just a really terrible accident.
Prosecutors allege both deaths involved acetonitrile poisoning. And at the most recent hearing, prosecutors said investigators found internet searches on Casper-Leinenkugel's device about what happens when someone ingests acetonitrile. If a judge grants the motion, the 2007 murder charge would be tried separately from the 2025 charges. In Henderson County, I'm Gracie Palmer, News 13.